background score of the film? What are the sessions like?
Background score was by Gustavo Santaolalla. It was wonderful working with him. I went to Los Angeles and we worked together there. He did some sessions in India where he recorded Indian musicians playing and used a lot of the tracks from these sessions and composed for the full final film in LA. And it was a wonderful experience because he really wanted to use Indian elements in the music and in some ways Indian musical structure as well. I've got a lot of classical music as well, so he had to find a way for it to, when you listen to it, make it seamless. So I think he did that marvelously.
Kiran, talking about the accent, whenever we see Indian characters on screen talking in English, it always feels a little weird. And sometimes if the characters like Monica's character, if I'm not wrong, if somebody is coming from outside, like it happened with Abhishek Bachchan in Delhi 6, you don't know what accent to take, and you get a lot of criticism for that. You were skeptical on that, Indian characters, English?
Yeah, well, actually I was very keen. That was one of the things that made me want to make the film bilingual, because so many of us are very comfortable in English and it's our first language, and I feel like it's important to represent that aspect of our lives. So I was keen that everybody speak exactly the way they do. So it's accented in the way that we from all over the country speak English and Hindi and any language differently, and I think that comes through because Amir's English is different from Shai's English, which is different from Shai's Hindi, and I think I like the sound of. I wanted all the kind of different languages as well in the film. So there's a little bit of Marathi, there's Hindi, there's there were scenes in Telugu, but they didn't find it to the film. So that interests me, and I think we got that nicely done. And Shai worked really hard. I think I call her Shai. Monica is her real name. Sorry. Monica worked really hard, and she, luckily for me, knew some Hindi anyway. It was just a case of grammar, she still is quite scary with her grammar. So if you ask her to ad-lib, it's hilarious. So you get her to speak Hindi today and we'll have some fun. But otherwise she did her lines really well. I mean, she had no trouble speaking Hindi, but she has an American accent which she necessarily needed to have.